Did you ever encounter a chicken?
Yes.
It was so scary, wasn't it?
Yeah, I had to chase them away from a barn once.
Did it lay an egg?
No.
I think the egg is done. Let me try.
Okay.
Here, here's the purple plate.
Oh my gosh, the egg is falling.
Get it on the purple plate. Purple plate.
Oh my god.
Get it on the purple plate.
That works so well.
Dance, 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 dance. Eggs. Dance, dance, dance. Go, they're sitting down. We're walking on an egg yolk. Whoa, whoa. We're walking on egg yolk. Whoa, whoa. We're walking on egg yolk. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, it's time to get some yummy egg in me.
Hey, did you notice how groovy it's saying?
This is so groovy.
Oh my gosh, what's this yellow part?
I don't know. I think it's the baby. Let's poke it.
Woohoo! I'm poking the baby chicken!
It looks so funny. Poke the baby.
Ah, my egg!
We want more eggs. And we're single, so if you're a girl and you really want a boyfriend, me is the perfect choice.
No, I am.
I am.
No!
Call Greg at 182-351-0000. I'm just kidding. That is not my number. Because I don't have one.
My number is 5550125, so call me, girl! Woohoo!
You can call me too.